Before building arm strength, it is a good idea to first correct bad throwing mechanics. The Armstrong is the perfect training aid for improving your throwing mechanics without the aid of a second person. By practicing these exercises, you will increase your throwing speed and accuracy. Before we get started, let's go over a couple of things about the rotating ball handle. The ball and handle can be adjusted to various degrees of looseness. This is called the dropping rate. As the looser the rotation is set, the easier it is for the handle to drop when using improper mechanics. For beginners, you should adjust the ball so it has some resistance to spinning. To do this, first check the resistance to see if the ball spins freely. Now, locate the weld on the side of the handle. Staying on that side of the ball, locate the tension cap and push it firmly against the ball. This will tighten the ball so it spins with more resistance. As you improve your mechanics, you'll want to loosen the ball or increase the dropping rate so it reacts more easily to flaws. To do this, push the ball from the opposite side of the tension cap you used to tighten the ball. This will allow the ball to spin more freely. By experimenting, you should be able to find different degrees of tension to fit your capabilities. The looser you can make the ball and still perform the exercises successfully, the better your throwing mechanics will be. Having a proper grip on the ball is also important before you begin your exercises. To grip the ball properly, the bar should firmly rest against the webbing between your index and middle finger. With the dropping rate set and the right grip achieved, you are ready to perform the mechanics exercises. Always perform the exercises at a leisurely rate as if in a slight slow motion. Executing the exercises too rapidly will not allow you to notice the mistakes in your mechanics. For full arm circle mechanics used by pitchers and outfielders, we begin with the first exercise, the fly drill. Start with the ball handle held to your side with a slightly bent elbow. Lift the ball handle out to your side and up, continuing the motion till the handle reaches the 1 o'clock position, flexing your wrist upward and keeping the fingers directly on the ball as you lift your arm. Then bring your arm down in the same fashion that you lifted it. For younger players, it may be easier to lift both arms together as if flapping wings. In either method, the handle should remain upright and not drop. Perform the fly drill for 30 days, using 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Repetition such as this will create muscle memory where the mind programs the body to repeat the motion as it was practiced. The next exercise you are going to perform with the Armstrong is the fly turn and throw drill. This exercise starts with the fly maneuver, but once the handle is in the 1 o'clock position, continue by turning your body toward the target and positioning the palm up. This will point the handle toward the 9 o'clock position. Continue forward with the arm and follow through to a full rotation, all while keeping the handle from dropping to your side. The ball handle should not be released during this exercise. Perform this exercise over and over so your body will automatically remember the proper mechanics. Saying the steps of the drill, fly, turn, throw, while performing this exercise will verbally reinforce the proper mechanics. Perform the fly, turn, and throw drill for 30 days using 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Repetition such as this will create muscle memory where the mind programs the body to repeat the motion as it was practiced. Using the Armstrong properly will improve your mechanics and help protect your arm from injury.